pitting on the headlight surround.
Yeah, the corrosion here is worse than expected. We'll need to source new glass for the taillight too.
That's definitely worse than the report indicated.
The leather is completely hardened. And look at this rust pitting on the column.
Okay, I'm documenting.
Look at the state of this frame rail.
Yeah, that's...
This section here is completely compromised. We need to tag this immediately.
Yes, the rust has gone straight through the frame rail.
Mechanics now focus on cleaning the rear cabin area directly in front of the firewall.
Be careful around the leather here, it's extremely brittle.
Got it. The vacuum is picking up most of the rust flakes.
Careful with that console. It's completely rotted through down here. This is worse than we thought.
Rough.
The insulation is completely gone here. We need to document this rust thoroughly.
Watch the clearance on the exhaust.
We're clear. It's resting on the cradle now.
The corrosion on these brake lines is extensive.
We'll need to source replacements for everything back here.
Look at the state of this. It's completely eaten away.
Yeah, this is much worse than we thought.
Be very careful around that wiring harness. We don't want to damage the original insulation.
Got it. Should I use the brush on this gauge housing?
Look at the corrosion here on the sill. Yeah, that's deep. We need to mark this whole section for cutting.
Okay, easy now. Watch the alignment point here. Looks good.
Is the alignment good?
Yeah, looks perfect. Go ahead and tighten the rest.
Does that meet the guideline?
Yes, hold it right there. Tighten the clamps now.
The left rail is spot on.
Check the tunnel reinforcement against the floor section.
Does that line up for you?
Yep, that's exactly where the mark is.
All right, clamping it now.
The transformation is dramatic as the new paint glows under the booth lights, restoring the car's legendary appearance.
Is that gap consistent?
Almost. A little to the left.
Perfect.
Make sure the gate aligns perfectly before we secure the lever.
Got it. The action feels incredibly precise.
That looks right.
Let's secure it. Perfect fit.
Easy down. Perfect alignment. The gaps are spot on. Looks incredible.
Okay, steady on the front. Bringing the rear down now. Watch your fingers. Clear. Looks perfectly aligned.
Same car, same reality. Rolling presence returning.